let's see what actually they have done. Actually, this is a kind of great artwork, and I am going to ask them about the reality of painting. So, hello, what is actually your idea behind, and what which painting is your painting here?
So these three are my paintings.
Uh-huh.
This one, the side, this one,
Okay.
and these two paintings. We are four artists. Women with flowers around her. So how she, how the dresses, other than dress, the flowers beautifies her beauty.
Okay. So some connection with the nature as well. And this red one is flower. Okay. Soft pastel on
Soft pastel on paper.
and this one is really a detailed work on some historical place or what? Ma'am, your work are really great, and my subscribers are going to connect you on your Instagram.
Now it's the flamingos.
Flamingos, obviously most famous birds,
most
and
famous and ships of pirates.
can you give just an idea that ki how much time it will take for you to
Like
make
for
these
example,
paintings?
this has taken around 14 hours.
14
14
hours
घंटे
for
करीब
this.
इसमें लगे
Okay,
इसको
great
बनाने
work.
में। और इसमें एक चीज और है,
ये जो लाइनिंग से आपने किस चीज से करी हुई है?
ये मैंने माइक्रोटिप पेन का यूज किया हुआ है
Microtip
for all
pen.
का। और इसमें वाटर कलर के साथ यहाँ पे मैंने कॉफी पाउडर यूज किया है। दिस इज कॉफी कलर।
ओके.
वाटर कलर विद अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कॉफी कलर। मुझे ब्राउन का एक खूबसूरत सा शेड चाहिए था, तो मैंने उसमें कॉफी
जो कि कॉफी का कलर वैसे
हाँ,
जाता नहीं है अगर आप
जाता
पेपर पे वर्क
हाँ,
कर रहे हैं.
तो-
मस्ट फॉलो दैट थिंग एंड गो विद हिज वर्क, go for the commission work as well, and also promote. Thank you so much.
प्लीज फॉलो मी ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम।
Family, I am here with Akshita ma'am. Actually, the idea behind and what medium you use, what color you use. Can you please wanted to show in this painting?
So I just draw a woman.
Uh,
The faces of her life.
phases of life of women. Okay, on this. And what actually this color shows? These color
These
shows.
white in color shows the joy that the woman, and the darker one shows the challenges, so that these white blend color shows how she comes out.
अच्छा, dark.
Every woman coming out of these challenges, and she always shines.
Okay. So you are presenting some contradictory verses, like the problem she faces and the blossom she have in their life, and she is standing over here representing the whole woman society, and what are the beauty of a woman, and what this leg shows.
This leg shows that she coming out of that, so she plays her feet.
Okay, the steps are over there, so
Yeah.
she is stepping forward
Yeah.
from those problems to make herself free from everything. Okay, and what actually these patches, it seems look like some flower
These
blossoms,
are
no?
flowers.
Flowers. Okay.
How blue the light.
Okay. And you painted it on canvas and with
Acrylic colors.
acrylic color. Okay, it's a really good. So how it seems like 2-3 layerings are there, na? How much time it will take for you?
It takes 20 days.
20 days to paint this painting. Really a great work. So ma'am, can you tell everyone what is your Instagram ID and Akshita Art Factory? So in future she is going to. Okay, you are on YouTube as well. YouTube handle name? Akshita.
This is a soft pastel medium.
Softest medium. And on what sheet you have done this work?
A girl delving in the nature. ये मेरे पेंटिंग का टाइटल है. जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि मैं नेचर से ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड हूँ, तो मैंने इसको लड़की को फ्लावर्स के बीच में रिप्रेजेंट करने की कोशिश की हूँ कि जैसे कि
With some full of nature and blossoms. Huh?
I like gardening also.
Okay, and eyes are showing some curiosity over the
Yeah.
nature. Okay,
Calm and thinking full mind.
thinking full mind and peace.
It's a reference
obviously.
picture, but I like to create in my way.
Okay, so your creativity is over here. And even with the hand, she's holding the everything.
Yeah.
So it is like she don't wanted to get away from this. Okay.
I like to plantation also. I have
So still life art.
all objects mixed. This is reference from Pinterest.
Pinterest reference. Okay, but it is
But I try to create in detail.
okay. Your creativity is also involved.
I
Look at
like
this
to
guy.
work in glasses portions also. This is my
It is. It really seems like glasses. Huh? बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब it is very beautiful. सभी के लिए. So why
this is my next painting.
next painting? Photography
Yeah,
based art.
photography based. I click picture on a white surface.
White surface.
Put the three glass object.
With shadow as well.
Shadows.
हाँ.
ये बहुत ही नेचुरल हो जाता है, तो बैलेंस करने के लिए मैंने ऊपर और नीचे ड्रेपरी को यूज़ किया है ताकि मैं नेचुरल के साथ साथ थोड़ा सा कलर कॉम्बिनेशन बनाऊँ और वो बाउंस करके क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूट्रल चीज़ भी वो पॉप नहीं होती.
मतलब you are compromising that area that it is around here. Okay. Top view for glass, top view for this one, and I think 45 degree for this one. No, you can select it.
ये जैसे ड्रेपरी होगा ये टॉप व्यू की फोटो खींचते हैं ये नॉट विजुअल लाइक बट देन इन शैडो.
Okay, sorry, I
This
was
is a
got
wine
mistaken.
glass.
Okay, this one is glass, but actually the shadow is here, so you can see that the glass is over here. It's a top view painting. And what medium actually it is?
Oil painting.
Oil painting on a canvas.
Yeah.
Okay.
जब
So
तक आप इसे सामने से देखोगे तो इट्स नॉट लुक लाइक अ ग्लास
when you see it at the shadow, it's
that is the top view and it creates something a mystery like क्योंकि जस्ट न्यूट्रल के साथ मिस्ट्री भी है कि वो ग्लास है और ऊपर और नीचे ड्रेपरी भी मैंने क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की कि थोड़ा सा पॉप अप होके और वो कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ है। और जैसे मैंने बताया मुझे ग्लासेस पेंट करना बहुत पसंद
तो ये
है।
ग्लासेस आप पेंट करने के लिए ये कैसे आप ग्लास कैसे शो करती हैं, मतलब हाउ टू?
जैसे बेस मैंने क्रिएट किया
हाँ।
फिर उसके ऊपर ग्लास को बनाया फिर शैडो को बनाया।
वाइट के ऊपर वाइट ग्लास शो करना इज डिफिकल्ट है।
वेरी डिफिकल्ट, टू मच डिफिकल्ट। इसे मुझे बनाने में बहुत ही टाइम लगा था। मोस्टली दिस पोर्शन यू कैन सी द बबल्स आर लुक लाइक अ रियल।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, ग्लास इज एक्चुअली रियल।
एवरीवन see that कि this is the real drapery I put up.
From outside, huh?
Yeah.
So how long you take to
Time.
paint this?
Approx 30 days.
30 days for this one.
Yeah.
Okay, and this
This
one?
is I think 25 days.
25 days.
20
Similar.
days.
Averagely it is around 15 to 30 days, na?
Yeah, yeah.
And what about this one?
It is approx 25 days.
25 days.
And these two works are also mine.
Two works are
This
also
is a spatula
spatula.
on acrylic medium on canvas.
Acrylic medium canvas. Okay.
Yeah.
And you used knife and all to present that. Okay.
समथिंग डार्क में और लाइट को पॉप करने के लिए मुझे जो वो
मतलब
लाइट निकल के आता है ना कलर
blurry picture that present the roadside market as well as society and the nature.
नेचर
With the I think it's a night view, right? Night view.
इट्स द नाइट व्यू बट लाइट्स इसमें रिप्रेजेंट हो रही है ना तो वो मुझे लाइट से कनेक्शन होती है ना जो वो येलोस लाइट।
अभी मैम ने जो वीडियो में जो भी बताया है गो विद दैट थिंग वट एवर बी द वर्कशॉप यू वांटेड टू जॉइन एंड मस्ट सी द हार्ड वर्क दैट शी हैड डन एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू लर्न फ्रॉम हर. Once again, thank you ma'am for introducing everyone your art, your idea and your work.